Hello and welcome to video on the conquest of space. Today, we'll be discussing the race between the United States, Russia, and China to conquer space first. Since the launch of the Soviet Union's Sputnik satellite in 1957, space has been an area of intense competition between nations. Today, the United States, Russia, and China are the major players in this field, with each country striving to lead the way in space exploration. First, let's talk about Russia. Russia has a long and storied history in space exploration. In fact, the Soviet Union was the first nation to successfully launch a satellite into space. Since then, Russia has launched numerous satellites and spacecraft, including the famous Soyuz spacecraft, which has been in use since the 1960s. As of 2021, Russia has 164 operational satellites in orbit. Next, let's talk about China. China has made tremendous strides in space exploration in recent years. In 2019, China became the first nation to successfully land a spacecraft on the far side of the Moon. In addition to its lunar missions, China has also launched a number of satellites into orbit. As of 2023, China has 541 operational satellites in orbit. Finally, let's talk about the United States. The United States has a long history of space exploration, dating back to the launch of Explorer 1 in 1958. Since then, the United States has launched numerous spacecraft, including the iconic Apollo missions that sent humans to the Moon. As of April 2022, the United States has 3,433 operational satellites in orbit, more than any other nation. Despite the intense competition between these nations, space exploration has also been an area of international cooperation. For example, the International Space Station is a joint project between the United States, Russia, and other nations. In conclusion, the conquest of space is an ongoing race between the United States, Russia, and China. Each of these nations has made tremendous strides in space exploration, and the competition between them shows no signs of slowing down. But even as they compete, they also collaborate, demonstrating that space exploration is truly a global endeavor. Thank you for watching.